South Padre Island is one of the top-rated beaches in the United States. This 2.5-mile-long strip of land is filled with restaurants, entertainment, activities, and is soon to be one of the top spaceports on the globe. This means they're demanding renters and property owners trying to keep up with technology.
Mom, what time is dinner?
Alexa, what time is it?
When we were approached by the Homeowners Association, it was so that we could add a quality internet and Wi-Fi experience to the properties, their renters, and their residents. When you're on vacation, the last thing you want to worry about is being connected to your friends, family, the world around you, and even sometimes your work. The Wi-Fi network and access to the internet have to support everything you want to do, and it has to be flawless and effortless. Just because you're staying on an island doesn't mean you have to be an island. Maybe you want to catch up on some shows and movies, your kids want to chat with their friends, play games and stream videos, maybe you want to check back in on your home security system. You want information at your beck and call. We focused our design on user experience and capacity, while still giving us the ability to remotely manage and maintain the network. This not only met the needs of our client and their guests, but gave us the ability to sign the customer up on a service contract that was affordable enough for them while driving revenue for us. By working with Cambium Networks, we were able to give them the technology being demanded of them without having to onboard staff to help handle the tech side of things. We can remotely maintain equipment, assess issues, spot outages, and be proactive about our support offering from anywhere in the world using Cambium's web-based management and monitoring platform cnMaestro. Because the cloud licensing is included with each Cambium cnPIlot access point, we can keep our costs low to the customer for maintenance and support. Frontera's Wi-Fi managed service business has increased significantly since we started deploying more Cambium Networks cnPIlot APs. The hardware is reliable and robust enough for demanding customers, and the back-end configuration and administration is simple and powerful, and keep our customers happy with the latest technology using Cambium Networks. Whether it's a point-to-point microwave system, a community broadband project, or Wi-Fi in a resort town condo complex, with Cambium Networks, our customers can rest assured they're in great hands.